ready? 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let go. Hold on. Don't press anything. Hey. Come on. Let's get it. Alright, let's go get some pho because I'm sick.
Where'd that guy, the motorcycle, the other guy?
I don't know, he just dipped that way.
Oh, he dipped that way?
Yeah, you want to cut through these people or what, eh?
Yeah, I don't know if I should pump gas.
How much you got?
I don't know, I actually wanted to come up and say something and then pump gas.
Oh yeah, just wait.
That way I could do like that trip A, put it back to 0 and see how much miles and shit like that.
Yeah. Do that, cut. You know what I'm talking about?
Where we going? Which way we going?
We're going that way.
Straight down that way?
Yeah, 529 that way.
Alright. I'm gonna follow you, cut.
Alright, cut. Hey, you gotta turn your head. You gotta turn your head when you turn.
Yeah, because then the bike won't go the way you want.
You gotta turn your head.
You look like a foot.
Alright. You know what I'm saying? This is where this is where motorcycles come in handy, cut.
Yeah, you ain't lying, cut.
You can do shit like this. Alright, cut.
I'm behind you, bro.
I mean, we can on the side if we move to the side.
I don't know, I'm starting to feel like you're scared.
Man, watch this shit, bro. Honda.
What do you mean, cut through where?
Right here, cut. Right here.
You gonna go in there?
Yeah.
Look at this guy.
This nigga here. Nigga tripping, fool. He didn't want us to go through.
Yeah, fuck that nigga.
I know, right? Fuck that guy.
He probably hating because he can't have a bike.
Right.
Oh, look, a cat.
Where?
I'm fucking with you.
Oh, you bitch. I'm about to say, hopefully it's not a black cat. Shit.
Turn your head, cat.
Nah. I do what I want.
Hey, this is another. Oh, this is when we come fish. Oh, look, my brother's there.
He's there right now?
Yeah, make a left. Make a left right here. We're gonna bust the U-turn. I wonder who he's with, but he's there, bro. He's fishing. That's where we go fishing at. This is where I'm gonna start, you know.
Go in front of me, cause I don't know where it's at.
Right there.
Yeah, the nigga just staring at us.
My bad. I was gonna set this pup over there next to my bro, but
nah, fuck your brother, bro. Su puta madre. Look at all these pigeons.
That's fishing here, bro. This is where I'm gonna come and try to, you know, vlog a little bit for fishing.
Look at all these chickens. Have you seen that meme?
Yeah. They're not chickens.
Hey, no, yeah, they are, bitch. You don't know shit.
It's okay.
What's up, G?
Oh, yeah.
What's up, man? What's up, G?
That's a better jacket, bro.
Yeah.
Did that Jen got you? No. Oh.
Hey, and they let y'all fish here and everything?
Yeah, I think so.
That's what's up.
Hey, you cut anything?
Man, look at you, okay, Mr. Professional over here. You quit soon?
Don't eat it.
Town Lake. There's a taco place. I forgot what it's called. Torchy's Tacos.
Oh my God! Is that where World of Beer is at?
Oh, good. Oh yeah, World of Beer is right there. You wanted to go to World of Beer? We can't. No.
I'm down. I'm going. Torchy Taco?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
I've never been there, bro. I've been here before. I've been to World of Beers. I've been to, you know, what's that other shit called? Something Sam's Boat.
Wait, have you been to this taco place before?
No. I've been to Sam's Boat.
But you haven't been to this taco place? Torchy's Tacos?
Hey, at night, your lenses turn clear?
Yeah.
Damn, that's tight, bro. I need something like that. Put a fucking stitch on these jackets, you know what I'm saying? We got the same jackets, so we just put a stitch on it.
Lone Star slabs. Su puta. Put pocas.
Lone Star.
Put swingers on the.
Lone Star hitters.
Lone Star hitters. Ooh, what's up, baby?
Oh no, my battery's not. I mean, my gas.
I don't know what you just said, but okay. Are you ready, bro?
Yeah.
Don't be nervous. If you're nervous, we're gonna crash. You gotta commit. go one more lane left, alright?
Okay.
Yeah, one more. Ahí está. Ah, what's up? We riding, fool. I said, you'll get used to it.
Yeah.
We in the slow lane. Slow lane. I'm asking you, cut.
I'm following you, cut.
Okay, well, fuck it. We normally don't take this way, so let's go this way. Fuck it.
I think you piece of shit first.
And my mom told me she knows your mom.
What?
Yeah.
How?
I don't know, and she tells me that your mom always tells her that you're a piece of shit. It's cold as fuck, bro. Mom.
Oh, it's a nice little path.
Yeah. Get on the
left. Make a left.
Get on the line, cuz.
Make a left.
What you mean?
Fucking with you, bro.
Get on the line, cuz.
Where we at? We're on 290?
Yeah. Oh, you know? Huh?
Just look at the road, bro.
Yeah, this is 290 right here. Even though it says 529 right there.
It says FM.
Yeah, I know. You multiply that and then it becomes 290.
Hey. FM 529.
Hey, are the girls still looking? Is the girl still looking?
Yeah. Who are they? I don't know who they are.
I don't know either.
I just say hi, bro.
Ah, fuck! I was gonna give her a Moto Vloggster card. I was gonna give her one of my cards.
Oh, yeah.
Fuck! I don't have any on me.
No.